China's annual political event, the Two Sessions, has caught the world's eyes. And now, going behind scenes with Sunny Spotlight on the Two Sessions. At the Great Hall of the People Run, also the Media Center Hotel in Beijing, you can see a flurry of foreign journalists covering the event. I've talked to some of them to see what's captured their attention. More than 3,000 reporters have registered to cover the Two Sessions this year, including many from abroad. At the opening meeting of the second session of China's top political advisory body, I met Ira, a Brazilian reporter who covers the event for the first time. I'm curious about what drives her here to cover a political event in the country thousands of miles away from hers.
Hi, this is Ira from Brazil.
Yes.
So what's your focus during this year's Two Sessions?
Try understand the Chinese democracy and how the people of China can access the benefits of the democracy. It's important to me be here, see with my eyes, and told about this with my people, Brazilian people.
And many of the foreign journalists here are veterans.
This is my sixth time. We pay attention to any new changes that will be taken in Two Sessions, because of course it will influence other countries.
So many times I'm here for the last 7 years. So every during Two Sessions, every event is very important. It provides you a very good opportunity to learn more about China, its policies, its targets, its goals, everything.
The Two Sessions provide a window to observe China's democracy.
Democracy is not a concept. Democracy is a process. China is a very good example. China can provide this example, this inspiration for the global south. Because the democracy is not just put a vote on a box. It's the delivery for the people. Not just the polls, campaign, and talking about it. I think we can learn about this.
China is seeking to achieve a GDP growth rate of around 5% for 2024. It is seen as the latest signal that the world's second largest economy is committed to high-quality development.
For me, economic development is the main focus. That number is really possible. I really believe in China economic development. China is going forward very noticeably, unbelievably.
China's economic going up and up, and it's very important for all the world because the countries should take example from China.
I also would like to share with other people how China's technology and economy is improving every day. It was really interesting to see how technology is improving every day in China. So this is one of the main topics that I'm really interested in.
Some foreign journalists have also shown a keen interest in China's engagements and collaborations with the global community.
It's clear that this country will have a very essential role in the global economy because it itself is a big economy that is growing more and more and more, and with many initiatives.
I think that the main idea for all Chinese initiatives is peace. The main idea is win-win cooperation.
In terms of international cooperation, China, I think, we know that it is a great thinker on the future of the international communication. You see, it has drawn up many initiatives, such as Belt and Road Initiative, which is aimed at promoting cooperation among countries across the world. We wish that those initiatives to contribute at the international level so that the international community becomes a global village characterized by peaceful coexistence, justice, equity, as well as win-win cooperation.